Alright, greetings YouTube. Today we're going to do another service video, this time on the S500 series, the Solaris. Got some comments. I'm rough with the machine, so I just wanted to show you the condition they come in and what its owner treats it like. It's getting a day at the spa today because we're going to service it and clean it up and put everything back how it should be. And these machines are tough machines. Now the 500 series is noted for having a cord reel that the customer can easily break. Typically what happens is the customer will over pull the cord reel, keep doing it over and over again, they'll break the plastic inside. Anyways, it's an issue Miele addressed. They fixed it a long time ago, but it was an issue really caused by user neglect. But we're gonna pull the lid off. And, we're kind of shooting blind today. My phone and camera are not syncing, so I'm having to start and stop it manually, and I'm not able to quite set up the shot the way I usually do. I'm gonna pull this out. A lot of these had HEPA filters. This one just doesn't. Bag. Yuck. Another filter drill. And this one, you don't ever have to cut the filters. It's kind of a cool thing. This and the 600 series. So we're just going to wedge that up. Push that one up. Bam. Just comes off. So this is a earlier 500 series, made in 2000. 17 years old already. Damn. Gotta love a good vacuum. So we're gonna pull these out. These ones are Phillips. The older ones, newer ones are Torx 20. By the way, do not try this at home. Bring this to your local dealer. So that just lifts off. Put that aside. Kind of cool, you can see the circuit board through there. This is kind of the canister everybody fell in love with. This is the 300 series. Kind of made us, America, appreciate Miele. So probably showed this next part here before. But we do play Donkey Kong here. I'm just gonna see the crack has happened. Alright. You can just see the buildup from the motor carbons. So got the motor, cord reel, and you can see that they're in a separate compartment as always. Pull that out. This is an older style Miele motor. Very good motor, makes a lot of airflow. Doesn't have as much suction as the newer ones, but it's a very tough motor, very good motor. But it's heavy, so Dummel thankfully have lightened them up. This machine's probably about 15-16 pounds by itself, and it's a compact machine. But again, they're well made, still sleek. Pull the cord reel out. Now this hair that you see here builds up around, it's not in here. This is actually because, you'll see right here, it self-vacuums the cord reel. So it cleans the inside of the cord reel, but doesn't clean the outside. What happens is the cord goes in and out, it brings debris in and out. So after 17 years, we got stuff like that. Now this cord reel is good. Let's see if it's as old as the unit.
What's up, dog?
So, looking for a date code on this.
Looking for a date?
Yeah.
Okay, so
Okay, the date code on this is 2004 is when the cord reel was made, so the cord reel has been replaced in this unit, so that's been updated. So I gotta pull this off. So now you got it stripped down. We're gonna wash this and this. We'll wash that too. Put that back in. So I'm gonna wash this and then we'll start the video again. You can see how much cleaner this is. Still pretty rough. Some paint marks, so we'll clean that up in a minute. Settle everything. Genuine Miele bags and filters. See just how clean that is inside here. No dust or debris left. All right. A little bit of motor noise is normal on a vacuum this age. There's not much we can do about it. So we're going to show you how clean that is versus how it came in. So we're going to finish that same process up.
Alright, well we'll have to remember, I guess if you have a phone on you at all times, and I just keep this one. Have walkie-talkies. We can even walkie-talkie back to these guys over here. That's oh, that's right, yeah. Alright. Cool, alright. Alright. Steven's gonna try this we're just making sure the intercom system works.
On the phones?
Yeah.
Yeah, if we just know what number everybody is, it would be up before.
You usually always have that phone, right?
I usually have this one or the one up front. Which one are you guys?
What's up?
More of the vacuums? Sure. Can you tell me who's calling? This one's really dirty. Know they dropped a can of paint on this or what? Make it as happy as Vinny the vacuum. Well, there we are, looking good. Miele Solaris 514. More on the back. So some things that are different on this Miele compared to newer Mieles we'll go over. One is, well, almost every older Miele had this door for when you stored it without the hose on it. Number two, there is a port here to use it as a blower. That's gone away. It's an airflow gauge. That's normal on new Mieles, but the adjustment screw has gone away on some of the models now. The other thing is the indicator light when the motor overheats. That went away actually in the middle production of this particular vacuum. Another feature that's gone away, the smooth back. It helps it glide over carpet, so that's something that went away. Rubber bumpers still available. 3 casters are still available. So those are some things that have gone away on some of the newer Miele canisters. So 514 is kind of an older machine. We're going on almost 20 years now with these guys. But they are pretty solid vacuums, as long as you don't abuse that cord rail. Anyways, as always, please like, subscribe, fire up the comments. Let me know what you think about using this new camera here. Stay awesome till next time.